Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will give you a certain definition of this debate section in this in these circumstances. I will give you a definition of the what is Champions League are. The Champions League is the winner of the team that came from European League that chosen by the top three or the best four. They will join this UEFA Championship, and then the slot of this UEFA Championship is based on how much effective the football team on that country will competing in this league. So the more effective you are, the more slot you get. Like there is also exist that the small team in this certain circumstances, but there is the more effective your team, the more slot you get to join this UEFA competition championship. So moving on to my problem, what is really coming to our side problem is when the UEFA championship exists, the committee set the first that which team could be participate in this UCL or UEFA Champions League, and which means when the team is holding the transfer exchange, for example, is open, like renting the player, selling the player, or just buying the player and put it in that team. That is all happened before the UEFA Champions League started. The thing is UCL is very very prestigious, right? So when this is the happen, a capital take the big team take most likely have a huge model for its good, right? So they have a huge amount of money. For example, like Premier League, for example, they have a huge amount of money to fulfill their own team to become more better in the future, right? So it have a capital to took a good player or good coach, for example. They can afford it anyway to support them in a UCL in the UCL championship. The thing is the famous player or don't want to play in a small league, like let's say Cristiano Ronaldo or Lionel Messi, for example. They tends to play in a big league, not a small league one, because it have a less salary rather than a big league like UCL, for example. The thing is like this league doesn't have a salary cap like exists in NBA or UVL, which means like no matter how outstanding you are or no matter how much skill you have, you still have the salary based on this cap. Because of the salary cap, this could make the fairness for all the people in it, because it give you some exposure and then same salary to all the people in that exist in that team. So when it doesn't exist for what is person like Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo in his workplace, because it have and like it doesn't exist in the football, because of that they have a much more salary rather than the other people in that team. When this thing happen, this case is another, like, and this come with another problem, like even if the league is fair, it make the league predictable, like for example like the like the Spanish league, for example. You already know the winner, like the England league, for example, like the Italian league, you already know the winner. So it comes to the match of the UEFA league is becoming predictable in very first place. And another problem is like the transfer is becoming and it also helped by the corrupt situation, that there is a problem even if that you are let's say there is a Italian league, for example. The Italian league is paying the Juve for winning those team because it doesn't want to reduce the set of the team itself. So they want the price to be still high, for example. And moving on to my goals, I have one point of goal. Our goals here is to support the UEFA decision in order to make a more stable and more unstable state of the football community and more equal and balanced team in European League, then leads to more satisfaction or or more entertainment in football competition among the Champions League team in the future. And our mechanism to approach this problem are first make a transfer is exist, but after the UEFA Championship, and then before it you could also start it to uphold the fair play and unity in football player. So coming up to my POP, I have one point of POP. Why is it justified to support the UEFA decision? And the second, why is it will bring more good than harm in a whole football field? And coming up to my argument, I have one point or argument talking about the efficacy that it is more effective and justified to support the UEFA decision, because like the thing about the transfer, when you have a money to transfer, you can buy a person from that team. So when you buy a person from that team, you buy the skill of it. Like you don't want to buy the low profile or low skilled one, so you must choose the high skilled one to upholding your team or just carry out your team. So that's why this is will make a distribution of the skill of the a whole league in a UEFA Champions League will become unfair, because the distribution of it is unequal in its very first place. And then because of this thing happen, and another team just remain the same as like the other skill, like they don't have to improve. Like even if they have a potential player, for example, they don't have to, they most likely not to survive, because the team is already have all the people are outstandingly good, for example. And moving on to my next argument, for the community and the sustainability of the football company, it may not last long or not have much sustainability, because first, football is a entertainment, right? Even the competition one is a really entertainment. What is come to entertainment, it have audience. What is audience really want in this kind of circumstances? The audience want that the match become exciting, dynamic, and unpredictable to fulfill the fun and to fulfill the happiness of the society. And then this kind of satisfaction will be worse when you have a transfer player, for example, in the UEFA leagues, because it could be make the match become predictable in a very first place. So and another thing is it will make the less sustainable, because the dynamic of the match will not exist, and the winner and the loser will become monotony because of the inequality of the player is exist. And the second, it will have the enter of it will make the certain company of the football state is really bad, because the system is corrupt. Like you already have a football mafia, for example, in Italy. So it's make the fairness of the FIFA goals for upholding the unity and the fair play will not exist in the opposition side. So that's why in the first place it is unethical and cannot be justified, and that's why we should support the UEFA regulation to ban these terms of transfer. That's all from me. Thank you.